What's going on, everybody? Call me an Uber here, back with another unboxing video. This is actually part 2 of my birthday haul. On the last video I unboxed some Razer products that I got for my gaming PC. In this video I'll be unboxing some tools that I got for my birthday. They're from Matco and Mac. So here we go. So first up, I got an 81 piece Auto Master tap and die set from Matco. If you're a mechanic, this is a lifesaver. Let's see if I can even fit it all in here. So here's all of your different taps and dies, metric, standard, pretty much anything that you could need. And what these do, actually, say you have a bolt hole or something that's stripped out, you can match it up using one of the keys and use this with one of the attachments, and you can actually correct the threads of something that you're trying to put a bolt into. Or if you have a bolt that has like stripped threads or messed up threads, same thing, you can find the key and figure out what size it is and use these to correct the threads on it. Always using my old man, so I'm sure he got tired of it, bought me my own. Next, we got the Mac digital multimeter. I've actually never had one of these. I just always use my old man's, and same thing, he probably got tired of me using his stuff all the time. These are great for testing different electrical things, automotive industry. I think I need to put batteries in it. But it comes with all these different attachments. Looks like, oh, actually you could charge it. Very nice. I'm gonna have to actually learn how to use this. It comes with a little disc. I think I should be able to put it on my computer and learn some on that. I also got the 5-piece magnetic spark plug service kit. This is very handy because there's a little magnet in there. So when you're going to put in the spark plugs, it holds it in place, especially on these newer cars where it's hard to reach. That way you don't have to worry about dropping the spark plug and having it crack. It's always the worst. These are awesome. And I also got this very long plier set, and see if I can focus in on it. It's actually for the hose clamps, for like radiator hose. That way you can reach down in there and clamp it down and you can move it. Those are going to be nice. And the last one are these Matco wireless earbuds. Now I've had the pink ones that I got for my girlfriend for her birthday or something, and it was the first generation that they made of them, and they worked alright for a little bit, but then she started having connectivity issues. I think one would sync with the phone and the other one wouldn't, and then they, over time, they just they didn't really charge very well. And I think this is the second version of them. So now the earbuds, they've made them a little bit bigger, so I don't know if it's like a better quality or a battery issue or what, but this is the new ones. And what I liked about it was it tells you the charge of your actual charger, and it comes with the little USB to charge it, and I believe that's so you can charge another device. So if like your phone's dying or something, you can plug that into it and it'll charge your phone. Let's see what's in here. Okay, and this just comes with your standard micro USB charging cable, and it looks like it comes with, I don't know if they're different sizes. They might be different sizes, like a large and a small, but you have 2 extras in case you lose the ones. And they are, I don't think they're magnetic. They might be. Oh, okay, that's why. So there's a little plastic piece here that's actually covering the 2 connectors. So it is magnetic. So you're going to need to peel those off first, and then it'll start charging. So it looks like it's red, and I believe once it charges it should turn blue. But that's a nice little case for it. It seems pretty sturdy, so you're not going to crush it. So I'm going to have to use this, and I will see how they end up working. What's going on, guys? Okay, so I've been using those Matco wireless earbuds for about a week now. My first impressions of it were they're not too great. The quality wasn't that good, and there's pretty much no bass out of these at all, which I wasn't expecting too much from them, I guess, for the price point. I think they're like $130 or something, which isn't too bad for some wireless earbuds. The main thing I think was probably they still haven't really fixed their Bluetooth issues. So sometimes the left ear won't connect or the right ear won't connect right. Just one of them will be on at one time. But it seems like once they figure it out, they do start working better and the quality gets better. And I messed around with like the EQ settings on Apple Music and Spotify, and it seemed to make them a lot better. I guess for the price, you can't really beat it. And it does have this nice little case that comes with. I guess the other thing is I think you need to have this and your phone kind of close together. So that might be an issue for some people. And also, like, I tried carrying this around in my pocket, and it does have this light on there, which is nice. And all you have to do is tap this little power button 3 times, and it turns the light on. But if you have it in your pocket and you're working with it, it starts rubbing around, it'll turn the light on. So I'd be sitting there working, and I'd look down, and this little light's flashing at you. But the battery in this itself seems to be working pretty good, because I think I accidentally left the light on all night and it was still at like 80% in the morning. And once you take your earbuds out and put them back in, it does tell you the percentage of battery that's left in it, so that's nice. And you can charge your phone from there. But I don't know, I have to do a little more testing with it. I actually had to change out the little earpiece on here because the one that I had was too small, so I put the biggest one on there, and it does keep a lot of the noise out. So overall, I think I would have to say these are a huge improvement over their first generation of wireless earbuds. They still do have that Bluetooth issue, like I said, but once it figures out what it's doing, it seems to be 100 times better. And the battery is supposed to last a really long time. I got these last, I think I've had them for a week, or 2 weeks actually, and I've only charged this once. And once you put the earbuds back in it, they start charging, so I haven't had to charge this again, and it's still at 88%, so that's it's got a nice battery life on it. And I think once you mess around with it, you get it to sound a lot better. Like, there's not a lot of bass in these, so if you're looking for something like that, you're probably going to want to go with more expensive wireless earbuds. But if you're just looking for something that's sort of cheap, seems to be pretty durable, something that you could just wear while you're working, this is probably a good option for you.